flat pitch, fair enough. You can still play on the bounce and on the length. But when it's turning square so much, you have to be a bit more careful. So I think it's about calculations, it's about brains, and at the present moment, Afridi has left it back in Pakistan.
I'm going to come back. I know you want to say more about Shahid Afridi, but do you want to add something to?
Yeah, no, I was just going to say sometimes the key when you've got a little bit of a mystery ball is not to bowl it too much. The two blue balls were the two deliveries of Harith where he used the middle finger, and this is the one, the pulsating one is the one that nipped in and did for Afridi. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer at the crease before you pick those, and Afridi was done second ball or first ball, and Cameron Akmal's second ball, he was done by a slower ball from Angelo Matthews. So it's not a bad if you've got a very good variation or a mystery ball, bowl it early to a new batsman. That's maybe when they're more likely not to pick it.
Right, let's get back to it because I know Saurav is still holding on to it. Look at that, I have to put you on the spot, and let's do it this way. You're the captain, you've got Shahid Afridi in your dressing room. How do you take care of him?
Seriously or jokingly?
No, seriously.
I'll do it two ways. If I walk into the dressing room as a captain, you give batting order. Hafiz opening. Umar Akmal at 4, Afridi 11. Then 9, 8, 7, 10. Now, jokes apart, I think he's a better batsman than that. He's got to apply, and he doesn't seem to apply. You look when he takes the guard and look how hard he hits the bat. Hits the surface with the bat. He just knows one way. And I believe in one of the games he got out at long off, and his captain asked him, "What were you doing at long off in the first over, first delivery?" He said, "I went for a single." So if you're trying to take a single and you're smashing it at long on's hand, well, there is a bit more to cricket than just batting and bowling. It's about the brains. It's about application, and it's about wanting to bat 15 deliveries. At the present moment, I think Afridi has got written from the board that you cannot bat more than 5 deliveries.
There has to be something wrong if you've got about 3 first ball ducks in one particular tournament. But we'll
you can understand 3 first ball ducks, but you cannot understand
how he got those ducks.
Out of those 2, they were at long off and long on.
Yeah, and even this one, I mean, as he mentioned, with all due respect to Rangana Herath, he could have had a few more shots, but probably what he needs to do is have a look at people in the other dressing room, the way they've been batting, especially someone like a Mahela Jayawardene.